This just in. It's a 2023 Cub Cadet, and customer states the cover just got sucked up into the blades. So we're gonna take this plastic out from the deck, get it online, and turn it around for what do you think, 1,700? And I might just throw in this trailer, or I might keep this one because the wheels are good. If you guys know me and these wheels, we don't get along. And he threw in some grapefruits. So what do you guys think? Let's come around, do a walk around. Yes, sir. This will take care of some things, some bills. All right, so I got to bring this up on here into my shop. Looks like I got to do this by hand. Lift it up, push it up there. Let's see if I can do this. Maybe two hands. Whew. Brand new. Brand spanking new. So we're going to jack this up, take a look at what is binding under there, and clear it out, throw it out on the street. All right, we're jacked up. Let's see what he's got going on. Oh, nice little knot there. And a nice knot over there. Is this blade bent, or is it supposed to be like that? Oh, uh-oh. I got a visitor. Guys, Lena, no. No, Nina, come on. So yeah, there we go. There's your problem right there. Come on, Nina, stop. Ah. This is a 21, so it must be like a 24. Let's get a 24. All right, here's a 24. Let's see. Feels like it's okay. All right. All right. Take the plastic off. Let's put it back on here. Blade is pretty rusty. We just had it outside, but it's okay. No big deal. Washer, nut. Alright, tighten it back down. I'm going to torque it to 3. Alright, let's get the other side. Get this mower out. Get this mower out. I should really have some goggles on or something. So this was a cover. It was a cover for this mower. So at least part of its life, it's had a cover. Yeah. Here's the drawstring. All right. washer. The nut. Come on, I can do it. All right, tighten it on 3. Okay. And that's it. All set. I normally put the tools away right away, but we need to get this puppy out on the road. So let me drop it down. Oop. Oh man, I'm losing cash out my pockets. Okay. All right, let's back this thing up and get this going. Turn the key on. Choke. Come on, you can do it. Genius Boost HD, 10 years old. Try again. Gotta go get the lead acid. My lithium is dead. Come on. Okay, it's flooded. Gotta spin faster. Let me try one more time. Nope, not enough. All right, let me get the lead acid jumper. Okay, I'm just realizing why I wouldn't crank. The parking brake wasn't on. So, anyway, I went and got it anyway, so let me hook this up. There. And here. Need two hands. Okay, all set. On. Crank. Moment of truth. Let's get this on the line and get it sold. Inventory's running out. Yeah, it's really important to get the stuff out quickly. Even if I find a mechanic who can, you know, do some good work, I don't know, can they get the stuff out quickly like I can, you know? So that's something to think about. Something to think about. I get these things out here quickly for customers. I guess I better take out the walnut, the pecans from the squirrels. No Georgia evidence. So what do you guys think? This is the 2023 Cub Cadet XT1 Enduro series. There was a bag under there, a cover under there, but it's no longer there. What do you think this should go for in northern Florida? Capital city, Tallahassee area. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. We still haven't sold this Pro Series yet. He was on the fence. He was gonna get it, but great mower. Essentially the exact same thing. Thanks for watching. Civil Repair. Out.